Hey, this is Erica with WTI. Are you looking for some travel-worthy dog bowls? Then I think you're really gonna like the LumoLeaf collapsible dog bowls. We like to use these bowls when we go camping or when we're traveling with our dog. They fold up really nice and compact for easy storage in his little doggy bag. What's really great is that they have a carabiner on the side, so if you're going for a hike or a walk, you can just clip it to your backpack or your belt and you have a water bowl ready to go. I'm really impressed with how durable these bowls are and waterproof they are. When we have water in the bowl, there's nothing leaking out and it doesn't soak through. They're also really easy to clean. When I get home from a camping trip, I just wash them with some warm soapy water and let them air dry, and then they're good to go for your next camping trip. These bowls are absolutely great to use for any of your camping trips, any hikes, any traveling you're doing with your dog. They are really easy to carry around with you, really compact, and we are so happy with them. And I think that you will be too. And that's my point of view.